Phuket, Thailand is not only a great vacation destination, it's also a great place to live. Just 6 miles north of the craziness of Patong Beach, things start to quiet down, and you'll find Kamala Beach and the Citygate Condominium project. Citygate is unique in the area, offering an on-site healthcare center and wellness facility. The project is almost complete, but there are still some units available. Coming up, we'll tour a condo and the healthcare center, and we'll talk about the cost of purchasing one of the units. This unit is 35 square meters?
35 square meter. We use sliding doors because it's easier and it's safe space. Same here, so it becomes an ensuite going to the bedroom.
So here's the bathroom.
Yeah.
A nice Western style
You have your
toilet.
guest.
Some nice storage. Shower. Nice space there. The sink. Here's the storage.
Yeah, built-in storage. You have the bed as well.
Got underbed storage.
So you have this dual access.
Oh, nice. So dual access. So you can actually get to this storage unit from the bathroom or from the bedroom. Very nice, convenient layout. Lots of nice storage here too. And here's the living area.
This one is balcony.
Nice balcony. There's 2 air conditioner units. So there's two air conditioner units, so you can separate the rooms and only cool off a smaller area, which makes it very efficient. Just small, but very well laid out. Nice storage in the kitchen. Really nice tile work. Outlets, plenty of outlets here, which is nice. Stainless steel refrigerator and sink. 2-burner electric. Lots of storage underneath. Do you have any questions about living in Phuket? You can ask in the comments below. And please take time to subscribe.
So the medical care, it's in connection with the Bangkok hospital. So this one, it's a clinic. So we have like professional doctors. They would do the first care, and then if they can't handle it, then they need to move it to the bigger hospital. So this is
And that's in Phuket?
It's in Phuket, but it's in Phuket town. So it would be like 30-45 minutes away. So the first procedure would be here first.
Okay, great. Ah, so this is really up and running already. City Care Medical and Wellness Center. So here's an examination room.
We are in the gym. See all the facilities.
So a lot of nice, brand new cycling, jogging machines, elliptical, fitness room. Let's do a whole walk around here.
Of course, let me know. I'll arrange them.
Free weights, everything's brand new. Exercise balls. Let's do a whole walk around here. Free weights. Everything's brand new. Exercise balls.
And the selling price of this one is 4,500,000, 4.5 million baht.
Okay, for a corner unit.
For a corner unit, it's 35 square meter. It's the same as the showroom.
Okay, so tell me, there's the maintenance fee.
So there's the maintenance fee. It's 60 baht per square meter.
60 baht per square meter.
So it's like 2,100 baht per month.
And that covers?
That covers all the common area.
Okay.
The swimming pool, the reception, the services that we do, because it needs to be maintained.
Yes.
So that's the beauty of having the condominium.
Right, yeah.
So for that fee, you have all access to all of these facilities already. The gym, the common area lighting, electricity, the garden, and so on. So the only one-time paid is a sinking fund.
Sinking fund is a one-time payment.
It's a one-time payment. It's 600 baht per square meter, and it would be paid only one time. 21,000.
21,000.
This is like a body coupe. One-time pay.
One time ever. Tell me what that sinking fund is.
This one is in case of emergency construction, emergency things. If somebody crashes someone in the parking lot and the insurance cannot cover it, then they need to take it from the sinking fund, and then they need to fix it.
So it's an emergency fund that all the owners put something into, and it's held for an emergency.
Exactly. And then if it's going to be used, then they need to have a report, and it would be mentioned in the general meeting, which they do annually. And then the water and electric meter, it's paid one time. This is when you do take over the ownership. So it's 10,000 baht for the water meter and 10,000 baht for the electric
and
meter.
that allows the owner to directly pay the government for
for this.
So you know you're not getting upcharged by the unit. So that, and I'm guessing that a month, if you run your air conditioner full time, it's probably,
I'll say it depends with you. It's 3,000-4,000 baht. Okay, depends on the season.
Oh yeah. So
because like right now in the high season, it's really hot.
Yeah.
So it can go up to 4,000 baht.
Really?
Let's say
in
April. In April, it's really hot. Now in this season, let's say 2,000 baht, 1,500. It depends. So registration fee for the lease, it's only 1.1% of your purchase price, and you have the foreign freehold, 3.3. It's actually 6.6%. But the red, it's 50-50 paid.
Okay.
So it's 3.3, and this would be based on your purchase price.
So if we're buying for 4 million
times 3.3%,
around 140.
130.
Yeah, 130.
Transfer fee. But then you have the full ownership.
Right.
That's also the consent pros of leasehold and freehold.
Right.
And then if you do the leasehold, it's only 44,000.
Yeah. So here's one of the rooftop facilities. So there's one on every building.
There's, well, that's
Oh
a
no.
Restaurant
On that building.
So we can swim now. This is a bit tight, but it's actually an Olympic-sized swimming pool.
Ah, on top of this building.
It's
Okay.
a bit narrow, but it's long.
I got
Then
you.
there is also restaurants there and some wine cellars. And then you have this one, it's a restaurant as well. And all of these are units. And then at the bottom, huge swimming pool. Just accommodate everyone. And then you have the lounge as well. Lovely bag. Oh, it's so hot.
Hot right now. There's some nice lounges. This is a nice little swimming pool to get wet.
Just lounging.
Yeah, it's a good place to lounge around. Sea view.
We have that area as well, but we haven't put any furniture in.
Oh, up there?
Yeah, it's just, the
Wow.
view is nice. So.
So they're putting furniture up on that part. Oh,
Would you like some drinks? I have to go ahead.
I would like to walk up there
Not
though.
for you, babe.
We'll walk around this side. Here's the main road that goes to Patong on the other side of the hill. And this area is really a lot nicer. It's quieter. There's good food options. You can eat local Thai. It's a beautiful view. The distance to the beach, I would walk it with, it's probably 10 to 15 minutes to walk down to the beach. Probably 15. On this side we have a nice mountain view. So here's another rooftop area where they're going to be putting chairs.
Here gonna be like outdoor movie.
Outdoor movie?
Yes.
Wow.
Outdoor theater in the future.
Wow. I really like what they're doing with the vegetation here. They've got these braced right now. These won't be here later after the trees take root, but it really will be a nice area. They're doing a good job with that. What units are available on upper floors?
We have some here and there.
Just kind of here,
Yeah,
spread
exactly.
around. Okay.
But most of it, if you see the view, it's gonna be the full view. Mostly
full view.
full view. The back is more interesting, let's say, because you have
Yeah,
the mountain view.
the mountain view looks very
I
nice.
prefer the mountain view.
For small unit, just only few about it here.
Okay.
Almost there.
Okay.
Okay, most of it's the mountain view, and we can't see it from right here. Well, you can see maybe a little bit, but it's really nice. Much like the mountains here, only bigger.